Have you ever dreamed of starting a successful YouTube channel? I'm going to show you how to start a successful YouTube channel with 0 subscribers in 2024. Hey guys, my name is Mia Misdria and I'm a serial entrepreneur who loves God and who loves helping people. How to start a YouTube channel in 2024 with 0 subscribers is so easy. The biggest challenge that I think most people struggle with is procrastination. Like getting started. All you have to do is start. Like, it's nothing to it. Don't think about it. Don't try to make sure everything is perfect. Most people feel like, oh, I've got to have the perfect background. I've got to have the perfect setup for my camera. I got to have all my tools. No. You can have your cell phone and sit in your car without a tripod and film yourself and start your channel. You can literally hold your phone in your hand, start talking, and start your YouTube channel. Starting is the hardest part. I feel like so many people waste so much time trying to get everything right, trying to have everything perfect, and that's what holds us back. It's like, oh, let me watch a gazillion videos on how to do this. Once you figure out how to set up your YouTube channel, go online, sign up, sign in, connect it to everything you need to connect it to, your Google account, open up your YouTube, get your phone, and start uploading. That's all you need to do. If you overcome the procrastination, if you overcome the perfectionism, if you overcome those things, then you can be successful on YouTube. That's the start of it. Everything else comes together in time, perfecting your craft. The top 3 things that I would suggest that you do is to be authentic, be your authentic self. Don't look at what other YouTubers are doing and feel like, oh, I've got to be like that. And I mean personality-wise. I don't mean like understanding the concepts of what they're doing, because I do believe that you can follow concepts, but be authentic to who you are. Like, you don't have to try to be a fashionista if you're an everyday plain Jane. There's going to be a group for you on YouTube. I was watching a video and one of the ladies was saying that there's 2 billion viewers on YouTube every single month. You telling me out of 2 billion people, you can't get a piece of that pie? Like, you're going to find your tribe. They're going to find you. Just get started. The next thing that I would suggest is to be consistent. This is what got me and what held me back from seeing any real results on YouTube over the years. I was not consistent. Like, you can't post on YouTube consistently for 2 months and think you're going to hit. You can hit the top in 2 months, but you can't do it for 2 months. Realize that you still haven't gotten monetized. Stop. Come back a year later and pick up where you left off. Like, you're going to have to start all over. So the key with YouTube is consistency. And one way to be consistent is to batch record. Don't try to record 1 video today and 1 video next week. If you can squeeze 3 to 4 videos in one session, like, I'm going to film 3 videos today. I'm not going to just film 1. I'm going to film 3 videos that they can be consecutive videos. They can coincide with each other. It can be episode 1, episode 2, episode 3 of the same concept. You can create all those things and do it in the same day. That's going to help you get ahead of the game. I was following this one guy and he was teaching about a podcast, teaching us about how to start a podcast and things like that, which is something I'm definitely planning on doing. But one of the things that he taught in his program was prepare enough content for a month. Always be 1 month ahead of whatever you're creating. And that's for YouTube as well. I feel like if you're going to put out a video every single week, then you need to make sure you have 4 videos filmed at all times. Because life happens. You don't want to get caught behind. You don't want to get in a situation where the day that you were going to film, X happened and you can't film and then you don't have any more time to do it. So if you go ahead and film all 4 videos at one time, you're already ahead of the game. So be consistent, have a strategy, have a plan. You can do this. A simple plan works. And if I didn't tell you anything else, write down your plan. Don't keep your idea for your YouTube video in your head. Write it down, write out your little outline for your video, and then record. Even if it's something on a napkin, something simple, some kind of guideline. I feel like I would have all these great ideas in my mind of videos I wanted to create, but then I would feel like, oh my God, I feel like I can't create. It's because I hadn't written it down. I hadn't organized it to a degree where it would go like this. So if I'm trying to do it out of my mind, I'm having to think about this. Then I'm having to think about creating the video. Just get you a piece of paper. Write down what you're going to do that day. Write down the video titles. Write some stuff down. Get organized. And that's going to make everything run smoothly. And last but not least, choose a niche that you enjoy. I would say enjoy, but on the other side of that, I would say research which niches are niche, whichever one. Research which niche is going to work best financially as well. I know you don't want to create videos just around what's going to pay the most, but do your research so you won't be surprised. Because what I have learned is that certain niches don't pay the same amount as other niches. You're going to want to do your due diligence on that. Because that is something that's something that I would have liked to know. I may have not changed my niche, but at the same time, I would have liked to know. So yeah, do your research on that. And then most of the experts suggest to post consistently in that niche. So I hope you guys found value in this video. Comment below and let me know, have you started your new YouTube channel? How much progress have you made? Or comment below what's holding you back, and maybe I can answer any of your questions or give you a little motivation, because I love to motivate people. So be sure to leave your comments below. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell so that you'll be notified every time I create videos just like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.